Okay. So for a given transfer function, in order to develop the block diagram, first I did the partial fractions. So I have calculated the value of A, value of B, and value of C. Value of A, value of B, value of C. Okay. So after calculation of A, B, C, I have replaced my transfer function, which into the individual terms. I have splitted the transfer function into the individual terms. So now I am taking the S common from the denominator. S common from the denominator. If you take the S as common from the denominator, which becomes a 1 plus 2 by S, 1 plus 3 by S, 1 plus 4 by S. I'm moving this S to numerator. I'm moving this S to numerator. When it moves to the numerator side, which becomes 3 by S, 4 by S, 1 by S. And the denominators you have 1 plus 1 by S into 2. 1 plus 1 by S into 2. I'm writing 1 plus 2 by S equal to 1 plus 1 by S into 2. Both are equal. Here also 1 plus 3 by S, 1 plus 1 by S into 3. 1 plus 4 by S, 1 plus 1 by S into 4. I have written. Why I am written like this means we know the standard transfer function, closed loop transfer function. What is the closed loop transfer function? Standard transfer function, tell me if it is R of S, it is G of S, it is C of S, and it is H of S. What is closed loop transfer function? Tell me. What is closed loop transfer function?
G of S by 1 plus G
1
of S.
plus G of S into H of S. So for that I have splitted like this, Nana. So if you take this thing, if you observe 1 by S plus 1 by S into 2, take 3 outside, Nana. 3 outside this question. 3, write it as 3 into 1 by S, 4 into 1 by S, 1 into 1 by S. So 1 by S into 1 by S plus 2. In this, what is G of S? What is H of S? In this, what is G of S? What is H of S?
H of S equal to 2.
Right. Very good. So if you observe the given block diagram, what I have developed is, so first I have developed 1 by S into 1 by S by 1 plus 1 by S into 2. Right? What is the transfer function here? What is the transfer function here? What we get for this loop? 1 by S by 1 plus 1 by S into 2. Now this is the transfer function. Now it is given to one more block, that is 3. So what is the output finally? What is the output here? Single block. 2 blocks are in cascade. What is the output? What is the output we are getting?
3 into 1 by S.
3 into 1 by S by
1 by S.
1 plus? Cheppandi, 1 plus? 1 plus?
1
2 by S. Isn't it? 1 by S into 3. Okay? 1 plus 1 by S. If you observe, both are equal, right? Both are equal, right? Isn't it or not? Are they both are equal or not? Equal or kada? So that's why I'm represented this term like this. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now coming to second term. What is second term? 4 into 1 by S, 1 plus 1 by S into 3. Here, what is G of S? What is H of S? Leave it. 4 by 4 ను వదిలేయండి. ఇలా separate block తీసుకుంటాం. What is G of S? What is H of S?
G of S equal to 1 by S, H of S equal to 3.
Same thing I have developed. But we have minus, right? We have minus, right? We have minus, right? So that's why I have given minus sign here. For the summing point, I have given minus sign. Okay. Now coming to this 1 by S, 1 by S plus 4. In this, what is G of S? What is H of S? What is G of S? What is H of S? In this, what is G of S? What is H of S?
G of S equal to 1 by S, H of S equal to 4.
Right, 1 by S into 4. Here multiplication factor is 1. 1 by S into 1 kada. This is 1 by S into 1 kada. This is 1 by S into 4 kada. This is 1 by S into 3 kada. That's why I have written like this. Now, for a given state model, what is input, what is output? For a given state model, what is input, what is output? State model input enti?
Yes, sir.
E of S. What is output?
Y of S.
Y of S.
Y of S.
So I have given E of S as input, Y of S as output. Okay, here I have given the negative sign, and this is the positive sign. This is the positive sign. Now finally, what is Y of S? So if you observe, if you split the block diagram now, eliminate the closed loop and cascading the block, you are getting first term as 3 by S, 1 plus 1 by S into 2 into E of S, into E of S. Okay, into E of S. Now here I'm giving the negative sign. Here I'm giving the negative sign. Why I am giving the negative sign? Here we have negative. Here we have negative. So we have to subtract. So that's why I have given the negative. So when I have given the negative here, which becomes minus 4 into 1 by S by 1 plus 1 by S into 3, which is into E of S. Now, here I have given the positive sign. Why? Because here I have the plus 1 into 1 by S by 1 plus 1 by S into 4 into E of S. If you observe, Y of S equal to the same thing we get from the block diagram. So this is how we can represent the block diagram for a given transfer function. First, you have to split the transfer function into individual terms with the partial fraction expansion method. Partial fractions expansion method. And you have to take the common S from the denominator. You have to write in the form of 1 G of S by 1 plus G of S into H of S. And you have to develop the individual sections first. You have to develop the individual sections first, right? And based on the signs over here, you can use the summing point. You can use the summing points, right? And the input to for all the individual sections are E of S, and the output is Y of S. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? We'll do one more problem. On previous paper problem, okay? So block diagram representation construction is completed. Now what we have to do? We have to construct the state model. State model. So we have to know the state matrix. What is state matrix? X1 dot, X2 dot, X3 dot. Okay. So if you observe, here I am taking X1 dot into 1 by S. X1 dot into 1 by S, which is becomes X1, which is becomes X1, which is becomes X1. Okay. Here I am taking X2 dot. The output of this block is X2. Here I am taking X3 dot, which is becomes X3. What is 1 by S? 1 by S and Nana? It's a derivative term. It is the derivative. 1 by S nothing but it is derivative. Take d by d. It is derivative. 1 by sorry. It's not derivative. It is integrator. It is integrator. S is nothing but derivative. D by d. Integrator nothing but 1 by S. So nothing but here we are doing the integration of x1 dot. Integration of x1 dot means x1 dot nothing but dx1 by dt, isn't it? Isn't it or not? What is x1 dot? Dx1 by dt. Now what is integration of dx1 by dt? What is integration of dx1 by dt?
x1, sir.
x1. Similarly, integration of dx2 by dt, here x2. Integration of dx3 by dt, which becomes x3. Which becomes x3. We already discussed for the first two and previous classes. We already developed the block diagram and transfer function for the state model, standard state model. If you observe here, is it already discussed? If you observe x dot t, which is integral of x dot t is x of t. Integral ki enti Laplace apply cheste enti integral ki em vastundi manaki 1 by s aina. Laplace of integration is 1 by s aina manaki vachedi. Laplace of derivative ki em vastundi s into vastundi avuna. Isn't it or not? Isn't it or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? సో ఇవిగో మీకు తెలియకపోతే నేనేం చేయలేను. సో మీరు ఆల్రెడీ లాప్లాస్ లో నేర్చుకుని ఉంటారు. లాప్లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ టర్మ్ ఇస్ విచ్ ఇస్ డిఫైన్ ఇంటూ 1 by s. లాప్లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ x1 ఈక్వల్ దీని డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది x1 by s. లాప్లాస్ ఆఫ్ dx by dt దీని డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది s into x of s. This is also x1 of s, x of s into, sorry, x of s by s. This is x of s by s. This is s into x of s. The same thing I have, similar to like this, I have did in the problem also. What I have did? So I have taken, in order to construct the state model, I am taken x1 dot, which is whose output of this block is x1. The output of this block is x2. The input is x2 dot. The output of block is x3. Okay. Then tell me now, what is x1 dot? From this block, what is x1 dot? What is x1 dot? Anyone please tell me? What is x1 dot? What is x1 dot? x1 dot is output of the summing point. Mind it. x2 dot is output of the summing point. x3 dot is output of the summing. Then tell me, what is x1 dot? What is x1 dot? What is x2 dot? What is x3 dot? Tell me. What is x1 dot? ఈ చెప్పబోతే మీకు బ్లాక్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఏం అర్థం అవునట్టు. వాట్ ఈజ్ x1 డాట్? ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్. వాట్ ఈజ్ x1 డాట్? దిస్ ఈజ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ సమ్మింగ్ పాయింట్. వాట్ ఈజ్ x1 డాట్? చెప్పండి అమ్మా, వాట్ ఈజ్ x1 డాట్? Am I audible? Am I audible or not? Am I audible? వినపడుతుందా? హలో, ఆర్ యు దేర్? వినపడుతుందా మీకు?
Sir.
చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఈజ్ x1 డాట్? దిస్ ఇస్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ సమ్మింగ్ పాయింట్ అంటున్నాను. ఆ సమ్మింగ్ పాయింట్ కి ఇన్పుట్స్ ఏమి వస్తున్నాయి?
U of s minus 2x1.
మరి చెప్పడానికి u of s minus 2x1. వాట్ ఈజ్ x2 డాట్?
U of s minus 3x2.
వాట్ ఈజ్ x3 డాట్?
U of s minus 4x3.
మరి చెప్పడానికి ఏమ్మా? వాట్ ఈజ్ y of s? What or yt? Y, what is y? What is y? What is y? If y is the output of the summing point, what is y? What is y? You are getting the signals from this.
3x1 plus 4x2.
3x1, 3x1, 3x1
minus 4h2
minus 4x2, not plus 4x2. Next,
plus h3.
plus x3. ఇదే నేను అడుగుతున్నాను ఇంకా నుంచి. మనకి ఇవి వస్తే చాలు కదా మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఫామ్ చేయడానికి, అవునా కాదా? The same thing I have written here. If you observe the equations, x1 dot equal to minus 2x1 plus c, x2 dot equal to minus 3x2 plus c, x3 dot equal to minus 4x3 plus c, which is y equal to minus 3x1 4x2. From this, what is x1 dot, x2 dot, x2 3, minus 2 0 0. We have only x1 term, we have only x2 term, we have only x3 term minus 4, but we have u. All the x1 x2 3 contains u. That's why you are getting one matrix. And coming to y matrix, 3 minus 4 1 x1 x2 x3. Is it clear from these equations, the matrix? Is it clear? State model, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the 14 marks question, the construction of state model as well as the block diagram. Now we'll take this example. Okay, take this example. This is one more, right? 10 into s plus 4 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 3. Okay. So the transfer function is y of s by u of s, which is 10 into s plus, into 10 into s plus 4 by s into s plus 1 into s plus, okay, s into s plus 1 into s plus 3. So I'm splitting this thing as a by s, b by s plus 1, c by s plus 3. So find a. So 10 into s plus 4, s into s plus 1 into s plus 3 into s, where s equal to 0, into s, where s equal to 0. S get cancelled, which becomes 10 into 4 by 3, 40 by 3, 40 by 3. Coming to b, 10 into s plus 4, s into s plus 1, s plus 3 into s plus 1, s equal to minus 1. S plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 means 10 into 3 by minus 1 into 2, 5, minus 15. Coming to c, 10 into s plus 4 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 3 into s plus 3, where s equal to minus 3. Get cancelled, which becomes 10 into 1 by minus 3 into minus 2. So which becomes c equal to 10 by 6. 10 by 6, which is 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Now my transfer function p of s becomes 40 by 3s, 40 by 3s plus minus 15 by s plus 1 plus 5 by 3 by s plus 3. Okay. Now 40 by 3 s, I'm taking s as common, which becomes minus 15 by s, 1 plus 1 by s. 5 by 3 into 1 by s, 1 plus 3 by s. So we have to develop individual sections. First section, 40 by 3 by s, right? 40 by 3 by s. So there is no chance of g of s by 1 plus g of s. For this, there is no chance of g of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. దీనికి లేదు. సో దీనికి ఫస్ట్ మన సెక్షన్ ఎలా డెవలప్ చేస్తాం? టేక్ u of t. Take u of t plus no need of summing point also. G of s లేనప్పుడు no need of summing point. Just take u of s given to input 1 by s and multiplied with 40/3 given to the summing point plus y of s. Y of s. So what is the first term? 40/3 into 1 by s. Ante kada? 40/3 into 1 by s. Ante kada idi? Avuna kada? What is this one? 40/3 into 1 by s. Ante kada? So what is the output of this entire block? 40/3 into 1 by s. Ante kada? Ante kada? Both blocks are in cascade. దీనికి మనం ఇప్పుడు యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో E of s తీసుకోవాలి. E of s take to second section. We are going to develop second section. Here we need to take summing point. Why? Because we have 1 by s by 1 plus 1 by s. In this, what is G of s? What is H of s for this?
G of s equal to 1 by s. H of s equal to 1, sir.
1. Very good. So we have to develop 1 by s. Take this 1 by s kanaka, unity kanaka, there is no block. Unity kanaka, there is no block. What is the multiplication here?
Minus 15, sir.
Minus 15. So we are giving 15. This is minus and this is plus. Take this. One more block. So in this, what is G of s? What is H of s?
G of s equal to 1 by s.
H of s is
3, sir.
3. Very good, Nana. So 1 by s. H of s is 3 on now, right? 3. So what is multiplication factor?
5 by 3, sir.
5 by 3. Okay. So ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏంటి ప్లస్ కదా ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడేమో మైనస్ వచ్చింది మనకి. So that's why I have taken the minus sign here and plus. This is the construction of block diagram. Is it clear? All of you. Is it clear? Now output is, now your y of s is nothing but this expression. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now take this. Develop the state model x1 dot. What is the output of this block? What is the output of this block?
X1, sir.
X1. X2 dot. X2. X3 dot. X3. Okay. Right. Now develop. What is x1 dot? What is x1 dot? What is x1 dot? What is x1 dot here?
U of s, sir.
U of s. Very good. X1 dot is U. What is x2 dot?
U minus A1.
U minus
1, sir.
One,
X2.
x2 నానా x2 సిగ్నల్ నీకు x2 వస్తుంది, x2 వెళ్తుంది ఇక్కడ సిగ్నల్. మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఈజ్ x2, రైట్. ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఈస్ x3 డాట్?
U minus 3x3.
U minus 3x3. What is y? What is y? What is y? చెప్పండి. What is y?
X1.
40/3 x1
Minus
minus
15x2.
15x2 plus
5 by 3.
3.
5/3 x3. Then develop the state model. x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot. What is the matrix? So here we need to write x1, x2, x3. We need to write u, right? For first x1 dot lo manaki em undi? We have only u, 1. So what about first row? What about
0.
first row? 0, 0, 0. Come into x2.
0 minus 1, 0, sir.
0, 1. Next, u undi kada?
0, 0 minus 3, sir.
1. What about y? What about
40 by
y?
3
40 by 3
minus 15
minus 15.
5 by 3, sir.
Very good. This is the 14 marks question. Is it clear? అదే వాడు అడిగాడు. Develop the state model and block diagram. 14 marks question. Is it clear? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now we'll see the signal flow graph. Now it's time to construct the signal flow graph. So first one signal flow graph మనకి గుర్తుంది కదా. What is signal flow graph? Sigma pk delta k. What is p1, p2, p3 గుర్తున్నాయా? What is this one? ఏం చదవండి అది మీకు ఐడియా ఉంది గుర్తుంది కదా. p1, p2, p3, p and so on. ఇవి దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతాయి? p1, p2, p3 నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ p1, p2, p3 ఇవన్నీ దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతాయి? దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతాయి? దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతాయి?
Forward path gains.
నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్స్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్స్. మనకి ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్స్ 2 ఉంటే p1, p2 గెయిన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్స్ 3 ఉంటే p1, p2, p3 ఉంటాయి. దట్స్ వై kth ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్ అంటాడు. k ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1 or 2 or 3 అనేది మనం ఇచ్చిన సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్ ని బట్టి ఉంటుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ డెల్టా? వాట్ ఈస్ డెల్టా? వాట్ ఈస్ డెల్టా? 1 minus sum of individual loop gains plus sum of gain products of all possible combination of two non-touching loops minus sum of gain of products of all possible combination of three non-touching loops. What is delta k? Delta for the part of the graph which is not touching kth forward path. గుర్తుందా సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్ ఇవన్నీ చేసాం రైట్. గుర్తు లేకపోతే నేనేం చేయలేను, చెక్ చేసుకోండి. సో నాకు కంప్లీట్ అయిపోవాలి. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డెవలప్ ద సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్ ఫర్ అ గివెన్. So this is the given transfer function. This is the given transfer function. So what I have to do is take the, I'm taking the s square as common from the denominator, taking the s square as common and that s square send it to the numerator. So which becomes, if you take the s square as common, 1 plus 2 by s, 3 by s square. If you move this s square to numerator, 5 by s, 6 by s square. Is it clear? This step. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? I have taken the minus as common from these two terms, which becomes this. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Why I am written is, we know that Mason's gains formula, pk delta k by delta. pk delta k by delta. If you observe, transfer function is pk delta k by delta, where k అనేది మీకు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్స్ బట్టి ఉంటుంది. 1 ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్ అయితే ఓన్లీ p1 delta 1 by delta. 2 ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్స్ అయితే p1 delta 1 plus p2 delta 2 by delta. 3 అయితే p2 delta 2 plus p3 delta 3 by delta. Okay, what is delta? 1 minus of these things. 1 minus of these things. That's why I have convert this thing into minus. That's why I have written like this. 1 minus of the terms. Right. So this is pk delta. So how many terms are there here? How many terms?
2, sir.
2. That means we have p1 delta 1 plus p2 delta 2. Ante any forward paths unnai? Any forward paths unnai? 2 forward paths unnatu. Okay, 2 forward paths. Coming to this. So minus 2 by s. So loop 1 minus 2 by s. మనకి ఫార్ములా తెలుసు. What is the formula? What is the formula? 1 minus sum of individual loop gains. మనకి సమ్ స్టేట్ మోడల్లో మనకి నాన్ టచింగ్ లూప్ కాంబినేషన్ దాకా రాదు. స్టేట్ మోడల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో మనకి నాన్ టచింగ్ లూప్స్ లాగా రాదు, ఇక్కడితోనే ఎండ్ అయిపోద్ది మాక్సిమం. మనకి ఇచ్చే మోడల్స్ అన్ని ఇలానే ఉంటాయి, అంత కాంప్లికేట్ చేయడు. మీరు బ్లాక్ డయాగ్రామ్ చూసారు కదా, సింపుల్ బ్లాక్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఇచ్చాడు మీకు. సో సిమిలర్లీ సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్ కూడా. సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండివిజువల్ లూప్ గెయిన్స్. సో if you observe here, so minus 2 by s is one loop gain, minus 3 by s square is another loop gain, right? So I'm converting na transfer function ni ila ni convert cheskunnanu. Denominator తీసుకొని delta అంటే 1 minus sum of individual loop gains plus sum of product of possible combination of two non touching loops అయి ఉంటాయి. కానీ మన స్టేట్ స్పేస్ మోడల్లో ఇక్కడ దాకా రాదు. సో ఇక్కడ వరకే చూసుకుందాం. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండివిజువల్ లూప్ గెయిన్స్. సో minus 2 by s is loop 1 gain అని అనుకుంటున్నాం. minus 3 by s square is the loop 2 gain. Okay, loop 2 gain, right? And numerator we have 5 by s, 6 by s square. So 5 by s I have taken the first forward path gain, 3 by s, 6 by s square I have taken the second forward path gain, and I am considering here also delta 1 delta 2 also 1, delta 1 delta 2 also 1. Why? Because in the numerator we have p1 delta 1, p2 delta 2. I have taken delta 1 and delta 2 as 1, and p1 is 5 by s, p2 is 6 by s square. ఇది కూడా మనకి 1 లోనే తీసుకుంటాం. మనకి సింపుల్ గానే కట్ అయిపోతాయి మన ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్. స్టేట్ మోడల్లో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ నుంచి సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్, బ్లాక్ డయాగ్రామ్ మరీ కాంప్లెక్స్ గా ఉండవు, అంత కాంప్లెక్స్ గా ఇవ్వడు, ఇట్లా బేసిక్ గా టచ్ అయ్యేటట్టే ఉంటాయి. సో నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్ గెయిన్? 5 by s. వాట్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్ గెయిన్? 6 by s square. What is first loop gain? minus 2 by s. What is second loop gain? minus 3 by s. Right? So first, what is the input for the state model? What is the input? What is the input? What is the input for state model? What is the input?
U of s.
Output?
Y of s.
Right? That's why I have taken u. First node kada. Node మనం ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్ లో? స్మాల్ సర్కిల్ u, రైట్? సో ఫస్ట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్ గెయిన్ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్ గెయిన్ ఏంటి?
5 by s.
5 by s.
Yes.
5 by s. ఓకే. సెకండ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్ గెయిన్ ఏంటి? 6 by
s square.
s square. ఓకే. సో first I have constructed the forward path. First this is u, and taking the next node whose gain is 1 by s, I am taking one more forward path 1 by s. 1 by s ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి అవుట్పుట్ ఏంటి? ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి అవుట్పుట్ ఏంటి? ఈ నోడ్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చేసరికి 1 by s into 1 by s, right? What is 1 by s into 1 by s?
1 by s square.
1 by s square. మనకి ఎంత కావాలి?
1 by s square, sir.
ఇక్కడ ఎంత కావాలి మనకి?
6 by s square, sir.
6 by s square. That's why I have multiplied with 6, which is y. So what is this main forward path gain enta? What is the gain of main forward path? What is the gain of main forward path? 6 by s square. Completed. What about second forward path? What about the gain of second forward path?
5 by s, sir.
5 by s. So that's why I have directly skipped the third node, and the gain is 5. Now what is the gain of second forward path? What is the gain of second forward path?
6 by s square and 5 by s square, sir.
What is the gain of second forward path?
5 by s.
This is the second forward path. This is the second forward path. 1 by s. మళ్ళీ మొదటికి వచ్చారేంట్రా మీరు? 5. What is the gain of second forward path?
5 by s.
5 by s. What is the gain of first forward path?
6 by s square, sir.
6 by s square. గుర్తొచ్చిందా? సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్ లో మనం ఇలానే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేవాళ్ళం. ఏం పిల్లలో ఏమో గజనీలకన్నా రైట్. మీరు కాన్సెప్ట్ వినట్లేదు, బట్టి చదవటాలు నేర్చుకున్నారు బాగా ఇంటర్మీడియట్ నుంచి. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ అబౌట్ లూప్ గెయిన్? వాట్ అబౌట్ ఫస్ట్ లూప్ గెయిన్?
minus
2/s. సో ఎస్ అంటే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది మనకి -2/s. సో here what is the gain of this loop? 1/s minus 2. 1/s minus 2. What is the gain of this loop? -2/s. Right. What is the gain of next loop?
-3/s square, sir.
-3/s square. One by s minus 3. What is the loop? What is the gain? The loop gain -3/s square. సో మనకి ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు Δ1 Δ2 దీన్ని మనకి రివర్స్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఏంటి? మనకి మాసన్ గెయిన్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? P1 Δ1 P2 Δ2 by delta. What is delta? 1 minus sum of individual loop gains. 1 minus, what is the first loop gain? What is first loop gain?
-2/s.
What is second loop gain?
-3/s square, sir.
-3/s square, which becomes 1 plus 2/s plus 3/s square. What is Δ1?
1, sir.
Δ2?
1, sir.
What is P1?
5/s, sir.
So 5/s into 1. What is second loop? Second forward path gain?
6/s square, sir.
Into 1 by, what is this one? 1 plus 2/s plus 3/s square. అదే కదా మనకి ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది, అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ నువ్వేం ఫైండ్ చేస్తావు? హౌ మెనీ ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? హౌ మెనీ ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్? ఎన్ని ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఎన్ని ఫార్వర్డ్ పాత్స్ ఉన్నాయి?
2, sir.
2. How many loops are there? How many loops are there? How many loops are there? How many loops are there?
2, sir.
2. How many non-touching loops are there? 2 possible combination of non-touching loops. Non-touching loops అంటే కామన్ నోడ్ ఉండకూడదు. సో ఫస్ట్ లూప్ నోడ్ ఏంటి? ఇది 1 2 3 4 తీసుకుంటే ఫస్ట్ లూప్ కి నోడ్స్ ఏమున్నాయి? 1 2 1. సెకండ్ లూప్ నోడ్స్ ఏమున్నాయి? 1 2 3 1. నాన్ టచింగ్ అయి రెండు? నాన్ టచింగ్ టచింగ్ లూప్సా?
Touching loops, sir.
సో మనకి ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ అనేది ఉండదు కదా మాసన్ గెయిన్ డెల్టాలో. సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండివిజువల్ లూప్ గెయిన్స్. సో విచ్ ఈస్ 1 plus 2/s 1 plus 2/s by plus 3/s square. P1 is 5/s, P2 is 6/s square. Δ1 Δ2 is 1. So finally, if you place in the transfer function, you are getting this thing only. Is it clear? మనం రివర్స్ లో వెళ్తున్నాం, ఓకేనా? ఇంకా బ్లాక్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా చేసామో అలానే. Now it's time to develop the state model. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఎలా డెవలప్ చేశారు స్టేట్ మోడల్? ఇక్కడ చూసారా ఎలా డెవలప్ చేశారు? x1 dot x dot 1/s ఇక్కడ, రైట్? సిమిలర్లీ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ ద సిమిలర్ టు ఇంకా బ్లాక్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా చేశారో అలానే సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం తీసుకున్నాం? x2 dot, ఓకే, x2 dot సో x2 డాట్ అండ్ 1/s. ఆఫ్టర్ 1/s ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది అప్పుడు? ఆఫ్టర్ 1/s x2. What is x2 generally? What is x2? మనం తెలుసు కదా మనకి. y ఈక్వల్ టు x1 అయితే y డాట్ ఏమైంది? x2. x2 అంటే ఏంటి?
x1 dot.
తెలుసు కదా, సేమ్ థింగ్. x2 dot, which is nothing but x2. What is x2? x2 is nothing but x1 dot. Now x1 dot after 1/s, what it becomes?
x1, sir.
x1. Then tell me, what is x1 dot? From signal flow graph, this is x1. What is x1 dot? What is x1 dot? x2. What is x2 dot? x2 dot ki u is the input. x2 dot ki, this is x2 dot. This is x1 dot, which is nothing but x2. This is x1. This is y. This is -2. This is -3. This is the signal flow graph now. And we have one more thing. Yeah, here 6, 5. Right. Tell me, what is x2 dot? We have u. What are the incoming signals? x2 dot key. What is the incoming signal? U. Here one more signal is coming from x2. Chapandi, -2x2. Here one more signal is coming. -3x1. So x1, x2, if you take the write it, 0, 1, 3, -2, x1, x2. Okay. Okay. Coming to y. What is y? Y ki incoming signal enti?
x1.
అవునమ్మా, ఏమొస్తుంది? 6x1 ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ ఇంకోటి వస్తుంది
x2.
5x2. So y equal to 6, 5, x1, x2. Is it clear? So this is state matrix, state equation. This is output equation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
So similarly, so how many state variables అనేది దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది?
Order, sir. Highest
Order. Right, very good. So ఇప్పుడు ఇది రండి, ఇది ఒక్కటి లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. హౌ మెనీ ఆర్డర్ ఎంత? 3. So 3 state variables ఉంటాయి. Similarly, dividing by s power 3. డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? s power 3 కామన్ తీసి డినామినేటర్ నుంచి పైకి న్యూమరేటర్ పంపిస్తే you are getting like this, taking as common. So denominator is this. So what is loop 1? -2/s. What is loop 2? -3/s square. What is loop 3? -1/s cube. Coming to forward paths, what is P1? What is P2? What is P3? 1/s, 3/s square, 3/s cube. What is delta 1, delta 2, delta 3? How much? We have to take 1. Right. I am developed with the signal flow graph. You observe, this is the first forward path. This is the second forward path. This is the third forward path. Is it clear? 3 forward paths. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. This is the first loop gain to develop first loop. Second loop, -3/s square. Third loop. Is it clear? Right. Now, how many state variables we have? 3. right? X1 dot, X2 dot, X3 dot, right? So for that, first X3 dot, which becomes X3. What is X3? What is X3? Nothing but
X2 dot.
right. After 1 by s, what it becomes? 1 by s nothing but integration amma cheppa kada. X2. What is X2? What is X2? X1 dot.
X1 dot.
X1. Then tell me. First tell me what is X3 dot. U is the input, Nana. U is the input. What is X3 dot?
U minus 2x3
U minus 2x3. Very good.
minus 3x2
Minus 3x2
minus x1.
minus x1. What is X2 dot? What is X2 dot? మనకి x in terms of x1, x2, x3 లో రావాలి. What is X2 dot? Tell me what is X2 dot? చెప్పండి.
X3.
X3. What is X1 dot? What is X1 dot?
X2.
X2. What is Y? What is Y?
3x1 plus 3x2
3x1 plus 3x2
plus x3.
plus x3. So Y matrix is 3, 3, 1, x1, x2, x3. What is state matrix? So first x1 తీసుకుంటే 0, 1, 0. Next x2 తీసుకుంటే 0, 0, 1. Next x3 తీసుకుంటే -1, -3, -2. x1, x2, x3. What about U? U x3 లోనే ఉంది. So 0, 0, 1 into U. Into U. You observe. See the matrix. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, -1, -3, -2. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా 0, 0, 1. ఓకే. Y matrix అంతా 3, 3, 1. వీడు Y చేయట్లేదు కానీ Y కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ నా. Y is 3, 3, 1. Is it clear? All of you. Is it clear? Is it clear? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can develop signal flow graph and block diagram from the given transfer function. How do then this is how we construct the state model from the signal flow graph and block diagram. Okay, so that's the end of state space analysis. Don't take the choice. It's a very easy unit. Okay, you can get 16 marks. Okay, don't take the choice. Okay, so that's the end of signal flow study state space analysis. From tomorrow onwards, again we'll move to the plots. Okay, tomorrow I'll start the Bode plot. Bode plot. So Bode plot నేను అందరికీ అర్థమవుద్ది అనేది నేను చెప్పలేను. Bode and polar Nyquist plots. Try to listen patiently. Okay, చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలి. రూట్ లోకస్ అంత ఈజీ ఉండదు Bode. You have to draw the Bode plot on the semi-log graph sheets. Semi-log graph sheets లో మనం డ్రా చేస్తాం Bode plots. ఓకే, మీరు యాంప్లిఫైర్స్ కి డ్రా చేసి ఉంటారు. సిఈ యాంప్లిఫైర్ కి ఈడిసి ల్యాబ్ లో Bode plot, I mean semi-log. So అలా డ్రా చేస్తాం. Okay, so that's the end of today's class. Okay, if you have any